Ting naisipan ko for my lunch. So, hiniwa ko ng ganyan ang zucchini. Then, nagmix ng, wala akong olive oil. So, cooking oil, vegetable oil. Then, paminta, asin, at paprika. So, yun lang. At ito yun. At i-bake ko siya ng 350 degree Fahrenheit. Maybe 10 minutes. Bake for 10 minutes. Yan. So, let's see kung maganda ang resulta. Oh, I bake for 20 minutes. So, this is the looks. Guys, I flip over. Then, ibalik natin sa oven and bake for another 5 minutes. Alright, it's done. Kainin ko siya with rice. At isawsaw sa toyo at suka. Okay, yan na. May rice na tayo. Sausawan. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.